Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm back with another design team project for the Not Too Shabby shop. So here is a picture of the card that I'm going to be making today. I'm using the My Kitchen by the Greeting Firm. So I'm going to do some masking here. I wanted this stamp set because of the adorable image that looks like an Instant Pot. And if you don't know what an Instant Pot is, I will link it below on Amazon so you can see all of the great things that it does. I purchased mine there last year for Black Friday. It absolutely revolutionizes the way you cook meals. So I wanted to do a little card. I have a number of friends who also love their Instant Pot, and so I wanted to make a fun cheery card. So I'm using Wilted Violet here to make kind of my own colored cardstock. I'm not worried about blending it too much because I am going to die cut this out with a stitched oval die. I'm just stamping the sentiment "What's Cooking." I'm gonna peel up those masks and the little images are there so that now I can move on to the coloring after I die cut out. This will be the focal panel for my shaker card. So now I'm going to do the coloring. You can see here that there's some spots where the mask was a little bit off the line, so there's some white edging around. Once I turn off the camera, I am going to fix this. I'm just going to dot my paintbrush into the Wilted Violet Distress Oxide ink and just kind of paint around that, and you cannot tell at all that I didn't get it right the first time. So just a quick tip for you. So all the colors are to the left hand side. I am going to color this little Instant Pot to look exactly like it does. So it's dark black at the bottom, the top is black, and then the middle piece is like a shiny, what do you call that? Stainless steel. So I'm just using my blender pen here just to get a nice soft silver look. So I'm using a really bright paper for this card, so I wanted her to have really bright blonde hair. So I'm using 3 of my yellows to do that, and I'm just flicking to try to make it look like hair. I'm not great at hair, but I'm practicing so that I can get better, and I think she turned out really cute. I'm going to do his hair in browns. So again, just kind of flicking here to give it some texture, but it also, these images look really cute if you just do a straight blending color. So for her dress, I'm going to do some pinks here. These are my favorite pink combinations. I rave about them all the time. The R85, the R83, and the R81. I'm going to do 2 coats of that just because it blended back a bit more than I wanted it to. For his pants, I'm going to use some blues, and I'm going to give her a matching bow. I did do the darkest to the middle of his legs, and after I finished the first layer of that, I thought it looked funny, so I came back and added some dark to the outer sides of his little pants as well. And then I'm going to give him a green shirt. So I am going to do some white gel detailing here. I'm going to do a bunch of lines in their hair just to give them some added cuteness. I'm going to give her a polka dot dress, and I will give him a white striped t-shirt. I'm really loving my gel pen detailing lately. If you've been watching, you will probably know that just by how much I'm using it. And then of course I'm bringing in the black glaze pen here. This is a Jelly Roll pen, just to add some depth to their eyes. And then I also did the buttons on the Instant Pot and the little square piece. So I'm going to cut out a frame for my shaker card. I'm using the Sunny Studio Rainbow Bright. So I'm using 1 stitched rectangle die, and then I'm using the new Lawn Fawn reversed stitch rectangle window die. So this is going to give me a really pretty frame for my shaker card. So I'm just going to add some acetate with my ATG gun here. I'm going to add some fun foam to the back of that. Not fun foam, foam adhesive. I'm going to use my little embossing tool here just to get rid of the static cling. I did use 2 layers of foam adhesive for this shaker card, and I'm using the yellow pattern paper with the hearts, and I thought it would be fun to make a rice shaker card. I did get a little bit heavy-handed there, so I had to take some out, and I'm also picking out the clumps of rice. After I finished this card, I wondered if there was colored rice out there. There must be, I'm thinking, for weddings or for whatnot, but that would be really fun. But I just thought because the sentiment on here is what's cooking, it would really be a cute card to send someone with the rice inside. So I've got that done. I'm going to add the panel here with the 2 little people and their Instant Pot. And we have a fun, bright, colorful, cheery shaker card. So just to finish it off, I'm going to ground them. I'm using my C3, I think, just to give them some grounding, a little bit of shading underneath them. And that will pretty much finish off my card. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.